All right, we're back again with another one here. We've got a cab height fiberglass, a Leer model. Fits the 9906 Chevy and GMC trucks with the 6.5 foot bed. The full size trucks with the 6.5 foot short bed. This is pretty decent shape. It's not a lot of problems on this one here. It looks pretty good. The color on this is silver birch, so it's like a pewter, but it's got a little bit more of a silver tint to it. This side looks pretty good. Now this one has the optional Yakima roof tracks on here, so you can put the kayak racks, canoe racks, boat racks, bike racks, whatever you're looking for on top of this. Those fit on that track there. Like I said, on this side it looks pretty good. It does have a small scratch there. Right there and right there. Down through here, there's not a lot of damage on this one. Looks good down through here. The bottom edge looks really nice. One small little scuff right there, but the bottom edge on that looks really nice. So it has the cargo doors with the optional sliding window in the inside, but the cargo doors work where you twist the T-handle here. Allows you to open up, reach inside the truck bed, put in tools, camping gear, whatever you got inside here. Also allows you to slide the window open for ventilation. You can see the screens on here. You close the window back or door back like this. You latch it, shut it. You can lock it and secure everything inside. Has the sliding window in the front. Has a couple small nicks right there. The whole front edge looks good. The top looks really nice too. This edge looks good. No damage on this edge. The whole front's really nice shape. Other than those nicks right there. Sliding window in the front. This side looks really nice. Not a lot of damage on this side either. It's got one small nick right there, and then I think there's a small mark right there, but nothing real major. Bottom edge is nice and clean. Not a lot of damage on the bottom edge. I don't see any gouges or scratches or anything like that. This side has the same optional cargo door with the sliding window inside it on this one as well. Same thing as the other side. You just turn the T handles. Allows you to open this up, access inside the truck bed. Close it back up. You latch the handles, secure everything back up again. This one has the frameless rear back door. So it's got a nicer, more SUV look door on the back with the twist handle. Carpeted interior inside. Inside's carpeted. I can see inside here this is a little bit better. You've got screens in here, and this window opens up so that it allows you to get ventilation inside the truck topper, and then you can close it back up, keep the weather out. Same on this side. This screen has a couple of holes in it. Right there, right down there, and right there. Really not a lot, but there's a couple holes in the screen. Shut the window, latch it. This window is a slider in the front, and this is a removable tilt-down slider. So this latch slips down like this, and this opens up and allows you to clean the window. Now this one's stuck, but allows you to clean the window between the truck cap and the cab of the truck. Then you'd put it back up, and latch it like this. Might be able to see if I can open it up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to address that, but there's a serial number on that. 6.5 GMT, which is your 99 to 06 body trucks. So cab high fiberglass Leer. It's the 100 series tops. It's the 99 to 06 Chevy full-size trucks with a 6.5 foot short bed. Silver Birch in color. For more information on this top, click the link below. There's a link below to this unit on our website. It tells you what location it's at, how much it is, information like that on it. Also, there's a link to our site in general there, just for parts that you might be interested in, as far as truck bed storage, truck topper clamps, repair parts, things like that. T1 harness, or plug-in harnesses to wire the truck caps up. All that stuff's on our website. Thanks for watching.